That's usually whoever's still running at the end of the day.
Let's get him, dudes. Get him. Yo! Boosting, dude. What's up, guys? We are at Midwest Dirt Fest 2021. Scrappy G. What's up, guys? How's it going? Good. The guys are going. They're going for it. There's about 80 entries today. I'm not sure how many of them are side-by-sides, but there's tons of trucks that I've never seen here before. It's pretty awesome. The guys in the Midwest are so creative. They have so much awesome stuff going on out here. We're really happy to be here. There's like a bunch of linked Chevys I've never seen before. All these guys are building stuff during the winter. So when the time comes for spring, all these new trucks come out. So a lot of the guys that come out to this event, a lot of the guys are even building up to this event. I think that guy came out from Wisconsin. Let's get some action and get this party started, dudes. Definitely big shout out to Method. They're gonna be actually hosting the jump contest, which is pretty cool. Those guys are sponsoring that. And then Gladiator Tires freaking helping us put this thing on. And also our homie Justin at Heatwave for helping us put this thing on. We're gonna get down and get you guys some footage right now. And man, I'm stoked. There's so much stuff. Let's go. Midwest Dirt Fest 2021.
Let's rock today.
So what do you guys think about the entries and any cool trucks you guys have seen so far this year?
It is packed. Packed this year. Great turnout.
We're like right by the speaker. Bad choice.
Loud noises!
Any new trucks you guys are surprised at seeing?
There's always a new truck.
There's a ton of trucks here.
Yeah.
Like, it's blowing up.
New ones, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
Ones you haven't seen. You used to be able to keep track of every truck. You knew everybody who had it, and now you don't.
Now you don't know half the field.
That's wild. So it's growing, man. It's really cool to see that. How was this thing? You guys got this thing done, right?
Broken.
It's broken?
carrier bearing issue, but they'll get it fixed. They're welding it right now.
I'm sure they're gonna get it handled.
I've been some steering already. It was a last minute fix last year.
Yeah.
And he hasn't touched it in a year.
So it's been fine
It's
until
been
right
fine. It was questionable at best when it was put in.
60% of the time, it works every time.
now. What about the other truck with the subframe?
It's here, drove it all the way here from Grand Rapids last night, put however many, 8 miles, 70 miles, whatever it is.
Unbelievable. You guys, they had a truck that was, motor was out, subframe was out, everything was off of it. They got it all together, handled, and it's here driving on the track right now. Super impressive, dude. These guys have such a hustle, but see who else is here and we'll go check out the track. How you doing, Tyson?
I'm doing.
How's it going out here?
It's going great. These little bursts of rain are actually pretty awesome because the track's staying perfect and it's keeping it cool, so it's not 100 degrees and disgusting out right now.
How's the track looking itself, like as far as the shapes of the jumps?
The jumps are shaped great, so it's making you fly really straight off everything. So
That's good to hear, man.
That's a comfortable feeling.
You guys know where you guys are doing the method jump? The method jump?
We're doing it right here at the bottom of the hill.
Right in
where
the
we
front?
normally do it, yeah.
Okay, cool.
So he'll change the takeoff, so it's a lot higher jump. He'll move it back a little bit, so that we're going a lot bigger off of it.
Okay, awesome. Are there a good amount of entries in it?
That's usually whoever's still running at the end of the day.
Right.
And so as of right now, there's a lot of entries.
There's a lot of entries.
There might be 3 at the end of the day.
So Brad is the holder. He's the champion as of last year.
He holds the wheel.
Yeah, he holds the Method gold wheel. There's a new wheel.
Yeah, so if he gets both wheels, he can put them on one side of his truck.
Right,
That'd
right.
be like the championship side of his truck.
The champion. You have any good leads on who might win that thing? Who are you? Who's your pick right now? Who might win the win?
It's gonna be either Neil Dombrowski or Ryan Lister
for the jump.
Yeah, they're going for the win. For sure.
They want that wheel.
Yeah, they want that wheel.
All right, guys, cool. Let's see who else we can find out there and maybe get some action. How's the track looking?
Track's awesome right now, actually. The corners are a little soft, but I mean, other than that, there's a lot of traction out there.
How is it with those 40s?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah, I had to air down a little bit, but now it's like you just do whatever you want. It's pretty cool.
What do you air down to?
15 in the front, 12 in the back.
What's the scary part of the track for you? What's the part where you know you gotta slow down?
It's really just a couple of the corners. There's like just single jumps, and then there's a corner.
Okay.
Got to be a little bit careful there. The big triple, I mean, you send it or you just go slow. It's kind of like
the big camel hump, right?
Yeah.
Wild, man. Well, that's cool, man. Can't wait to see the truck out there. We'll grab some action shots of that thing.
Awesome.
All right, guys, so the time trial version of the track of the event has started. I think we're in for some action. What do you think, dude? I think this is where the guys aren't going to be holding back because they want those bragging rights, you know? That's right. Pretty cool. There's a lot of leaf sprung trucks out here, and a lot of new trucks you guys haven't shot before, right?
No, there's probably a dozen or so trucks that we haven't shot before. So yeah, there's a lot of new.
Dude, it's crazy.
It's crazy, man.
It's crazy, guys.
It's booming.
It's booming. Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Oh, it's fun.
It was good?
It's loose, but she's fun.
Awesome, man. So you guys, if you guys know, this was Danny Giannini's truck. Then it was also Austin Alco's truck built by Dirt Designs. Freaking awesome fabrication shop in Central California. They've been around for years. These guys absolutely crush it. They built the hell out of this thing and Danny reinforced it. And this thing is known to fly and rip in the desert. So it's really cool to see Ryan using it to its full potential. Absolutely crushing it, man. We're super stoked, man. All the boys are really proud of you back home. Looking, dude?
Not too bad.
So they just had driver's meeting?
Yeah, just had driver's meeting.
Well, what did I miss? What did they say?
I don't know, I missed the whole thing too.
Damn it! We're messing up, dudes. All right, guys, so side-by-side shootout. Here they go. Push it over, let's go. Let's get him, dudes. Yo, come on, let's go. Stay right there. All right. You all right, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Send it.
All right.
You all right, buddy?
Hey,
Well, that worked out.
he's back in the race.
That guy's going crazy too, man.
Doing good too. Oh, there's.
All right, let's get out of this. They're coming through.
I don't think it gets any more Terra crew than that, Tyson. So these side-by-side guys are wild, man. They are out for blood. And I'm on the outside of a turn, so I better move my ass. Dude, these guys are going hard, man. Side-by-side guys, you guys are wild. That was wild.
You're crazy. I like you.
Couple rollovers, the dudes got right back on all fours and ripped. There's some real good talent out here in Michigan, in the Midwest, and these boys go super hard. Let's go check out this mini bike madness, you guys.
Do a small practice session. Don't send it big. Just get a feel for it.